What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So yes, I do have another Threadbeast box after I made 2 videos saying that would be my last one. But the reason I have this box is because one of you used the link in the description, so you get $50 extra in your first box. And because of that, I get a free box sent to me. So this is the free box that I got. Of course, we're going to open this up real quick. This is the essential package. Stay to the end of the video. If you guys like anything that I don't want in here, I'm going to give away. Just drop that down in the comments. A lot of people who have been wanting stuff do not DM me and are not getting the stuff. I'm not able to send the stuff out. I still have a lot of the stuff that some of the winners haven't yet claimed. So again, if I pick you, please DM me. I want to get that stuff out to you. So of course, we're going to open this box like I said, but at the end of this video, I am going to try on and put on this clothes. So stay tuned for that. Without further ado, guys, let's get into the video right now. It's been a minute since I got a box and I'm pretty excited about it. Only because for whatever reason, there's like, this box is huge. I don't know why. But let's just crack this open. This thing's pretty packed. For a free box, it looks pretty packed. Like, I don't know. I'm just going to take all the stuff and let's go one by one. The first thing I see is this maroon hat right here. Ooh, I like this. It says a primitive maroon. Man, I'm gonna get shamed for this. I know it, for not knowing who this is. Is this? That's nobody, right? Is that someone from like a DBZ universe or something? I don't know what that is, but it's got this nice little hill. Oh, it's a Dragon Ball Z. Is this oh, it's from Dragon Ball Super. Yeah, that makes sense. I knew it was a DBZ character. I just didn't know who. But you guys know who that is? That's pretty dope. It's by Primitive. It's got that on the side. It has the Dragon Ball Z hit on that side. Primitive little tag right there. Pretty nice little hat. I like this hat so far. I don't know what hat style I wear anymore. I just wear whatever. So I'll probably end up wearing this. But if you guys like this, drop that down in the comments that you like that. I thought I saw another hat, but that wasn't it. All right, so that's the first one. Let's see. I guess this hat. Oh, it's a Diamond Supply shirt. That's it right there. What does it say? Simplicity is the key to brilliance. That's facts right there. That's a nice little large white Diamond Supply Company shirt right there. I'll probably wear that. Why not? That seems pretty dope. These are nice. Of course, this like free box is hitting right now. So there's that. That is a large right there. Again, I am going to try on this stuff at the end of the video, so please make sure to stay to the end of that. Ooh, look at this pink dolphin black tee right here. I like simplicity of little subtle hits like on the pocket right there. Little, or right above the pocket, even better. Pink dolphin right there. It was a little plastic right there. Little pink dolphin. I like this. I have a lot of pink dolphin stuff. They sent me a lot of pink dolphin. It must be one of their bigger like suppliers or just stuff where they buy the stuff from. There's a weird noise outside my door. Let's ignore that. All right, so we have this Crooks and Castle flanny right here. Look at this nice little flannel right now, dude. It's got the nice burnt thing. This is like one of those, like, I don't know. I was really into flannels for a minute. I recently got out of it, but I like this one. It's by Crooks and Castle. This is also a large, so if you like that, drop that down. Nice little thing. You can probably pair it with one of these shirts. We're going to try that at the end. I think we're getting close to the end of this. I don't know what this is, but I like this color right now. Let's pull this out. Oh, snap. Sucks to suck. Winning is everything. I don't know what brand this is yet, but look at this nice hoodie right here, dude. Got the Bengals orange, got the Bengals orange and white. Look, these are hot and ready, white and orange right now. This is sexy. CLSC. I don't even know what that brand is, but yo, check that out. I think this is a large as well, I think. Let me make sure. Yeah, that's a large as well for anyone wondering. Is that the end of this box? We got through that box pretty quick, but yo, that wasn't bad. All right, well, let's get all smexy and just, you know, throw this stuff on, see how it looks. yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you use that link in the description, you will get $50 off your first box using that link. I may get another free box, so it helps you and it helps me and it supports the channel, and I appreciate anybody who uses that link. And if there is stuff in here that you like and then I end up not keeping or not wanting, just drop that down in the comments what you like and which one you want, and in the next video I will choose the winners. And make sure you DM me on Instagram to claim your prize. Nobody who I've picked has DM'd me. They've all been like, oh sweet, I won, but no one's DM'd me to claim the prize or send me their address and whatnot. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video. It really helps the channel out a lot. Subscribe for more content like this. Remember to flip that trash into cash, and as always, I will see you on the next one.
I'm out of the cave now. Hey, hey. Watch me tell my shit. I still mind my words. Y'all just shop your list.
What is going on, y'all? So yes, today at midnight, my new EP Headspace drops. Like I said, it's at midnight, aka my birthday. So if you could please give a listen, a share, anything, engagement, sharing, please, I would really appreciate it. A lot of these songs were written from like a real, like actual deep emotional place, but I put some more vibes on it, so it's not as morbid, but the message is still there. At midnight, Headspace, 12 o'clock, all platforms. Thank you. I'll see you later. Deuces. Outro.
I feel like I'm gone in my head, yeah. Way too many thoughts in my head, yeah.